Okay, thanks for selecting the SQL Server Direct. So you've got ConnectWise Manage On-Prem. Now, in order to connect CW-Web to your ConnectWise On-Prem, you need three things. First, your ConnectWise Managed site. That's just a general site when you go to log in to ConnectWise, what the site is. It's usually a .com. Then somebody on your team has to create a SQL Server login. So it's a SQL connected to the ConnectWise instance. It can be read only, has to be a SQL level login, not ConnectWise level, SQL level. So a SQL person, you could use the SA account if you want. It's not necessary, but it has to be a read only SQL level account that has read only access to the ConnectWise instance. So let's say you made a user called CWDash. There, you put in the SQL login user ID, CW-, and then whatever password you assigned it to in your SQL server, you put there as well. So it needs three different items: your ConnectWise managed site, which is just your normal site. Usually it's a .com, and then your SQL server credentials. Again, this user has to have at least, read-only credentials to the ConnectWise instance. I know this is difficult, but it'll be well worth it.